kushika mkono ili kazi ile mkono wake apote yake. Kuna mjango wako pale. Hiyo mboga za kati. Karibu Anira.
Bali sisi.
Tunamuona hiyo. Naona zaidi kwa.
Kuna moto katika kuna shosho.
Hooray! Hooray! Turn! They shall grow no old, as we who are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun and in the morning, we will remember them.
You're going to have to move her out along. Come on.
Republic of South Africa, Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I know you will spend some energy dancing. Partners, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning once again. Kanamire, Executive Director, Secretary, State Department for Crop Development. Azikiwe Jonathan, former President, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Livestock Development in the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency.
Jumuiya Afrika Mashariki tuwezeshe kuishi kwa amani, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuwajibike, tuimarike, umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu. Idumu jumuiya yetu. Mungu nguvu yetu, ilete baraka kwetu, haki iwe ngao na mlinzi, na tukae na udugu, amani na uhuru, raha tupate na ustawi.
And looking at the world trend, most people are getting to the high value orthodox teas. And the orthodox tea is just a system of crushing or, whatever term you want to use it. So why do you want us to permanently keep us on this old style when we should be moving this? What is it that you people are doing to ensure that our factories are able to adopt this new technology, the new technology?
We are also working with some companies from like Timek from India that are we are our local agents to supply the orthodox plants as well. Yeah, so most of our factories in the KTDA have adopted the orthodox plants, and some of them are also coming in. So we are working with a partner in India that provides the orthodox plants. Welcome to T Machinery and Engineering Company, a wholly owned subsidiary of KTDA. You're welcome. Yeah, this is T Machinery and Engineering Company, a wholly owned subsidiary of KTDA. It's an engineering arm of KTDA. The company was established to provide engineering solutions to the tea processing companies. What we do is to fabricate tea processing machinery and components, and also provide the consumables. So we support all the tea processing companies by providing the machinery that they use for processing tea, so that they don't have to import them. Yeah, so the ultimate aim is to help the farmers also manage on cost. We are also trying to mechanize the tea harvesting,
Kwa sawa watu wangu.
especially the small-scale tea farmers. So we have tea harvesting machineries here, the handheld, and which are also chargeable. And this one is also petrol-driven. It's a small engine so that it helps farmers. Normally, the tea pluckers are paid around 12 to 14 shillings.
We have the jam, we have the juices. As you can see, we have so many kinds of products. We have the juices. Then we have the
Thank you.